Guys, so today we're making some spinach stuffed chicken. It is a very good choice for a low-carb lunch or dinner. All you need are a few ingredients. Let's start with some seasonings. You need 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Go ahead and you want to mix that together. Next, you need 1½ cups of chopped spinach. Once you're finished, put that into a bowl, set it to the side. This mixture is enough for about 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Go ahead and take your seasoning, sprinkle it all over the front, turn it over, and do the same to the back. You want to make sure you want to rub those down with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Next, go ahead and grab your knife and begin to create your pocket, being careful not to cut through the chicken. Once you're finished, go ahead and set that to the side. Now for your mixture, you need 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayo of choice, about 1/2 cup of Parmesan. Add in your chopped spinach, followed by 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Stir that together really well, and once you complete that, go ahead and begin to stuff your chicken. You're going to set your oven to 375 and we're cooking these for 30 minutes. This is how it came out. It was absolutely amazing. If you try it, please let me know. Like, comment, share, and please follow for more.